Welcome to my channel. From my heart to your table, Chef Rebeca Polanco. This day I want to share with you a recipe that is very popular in my friends and family. We're gonna make lentil soup. This is lentil. It's 14 ounces of lentils. I use Goya produce, but you guys can use any lentil. So it's 14 ounces of lentils, and it's a cup of diced celery and a cup of diced carrot. And I have over here on my pressure cooker half a gallon of water. I'm gonna cook it on the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Lentils usually are easy to cook, and they cook really fast. We also gonna put one bay leaf. So people don't like the bay leaf because it has a strong flavor, but I do. So I use it in most of my soup and in some of my beans. So we're going to cook it for 30 minutes, and when it's ready, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I finish up lentil soup. We are back to finish up the lentil soup. As you can see, the lentils are cooked, and I have put in there diced carrots and diced celery, and like I said before, one bay leaf. So in here I have about a quarter of a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and I also have one chicken bouillon or chicken cube that gives the flavor. If you are a vegetarian, do not put the chicken because has animal flavor. I like it because of the flavor, and because I am not a vegetarian, I do it. We're going to cook it on the stove, and we're going to let it get thick. And as the cook is slow, it's going to get thicker. Then I'm going to show you the finished product when it's ready.